All right, Olivia, let's start from this one. 3 plus -2 was 3 plus -2, please. 3 minus 2. She's freezing, that's okay. Go ahead and help her out. What's 3 minus 2, please? Thank you. You're freezing, don't worry. But I want to come back to you, Olivia, to put more pressure on you. When I do 2 minuses, what do 2 minuses make? We subtract -5. Yes, but what's subtracting a negative changes it to what? You're good, so we 1 plus 5. And just I won't pick on you again today. What's 1 plus 5, please? Thank you. Okay. Mason, I'm picking on you right now. Did we do multiplication yesterday? I can't remember.
Yeah.
We did multiplication perfect then. All right, Mason, what is -2 times -3, please?
-2 times -3 is positive, it's times, or
Yeah, times.
positive 6.
Positive 6. Now, notice what I'm doing is I'm showing my work. These questions should be easy for you guys. But I'm not expecting this to be challenging and blowing your brain away and terrifying people with this, okay? Yet I want you to get into good habits of showing your work when you get to questions that are not one-stepper, be able to do so. In math question, there'll be questions that are worth 5 marks. What are 5-mark questions? Can somebody guess how many minimum steps I need to see on a 5-mark question?
5.
Very good, 5 steps, okay? So if someone's a 1-mark question, you can just give me the final answer. But if it says 2 marks or 3 marks, you got to show me what you're doing, how to get them. Make sense? Okay, Hannah. 6 times -2 is what, please?
Must be.
I said Hannah. I said Hannah, I think. Did I say Hannah? Hannah, 6 times -2 is? Good. And Ashley, -12 times -4 is what? We'll go times in, right? So we're just thinking, the way I do my big multiplication in my head just to scare people. Okay, this is the big, this is the small, but the way I would do it is 4 times 10 is 40, 4 times 2 is 8, 48. I'll do it there. If you don't know 12 times 2. Okay, I'm going to do number 2. Can somebody read me the hard lady 2D? What was 2? Can somebody read me 2D from last night? It was the patterning one, right? Yeah, it was 2D or TC before the last one.
5, -20.
Okay, so this is just a patterning question. You guys, I have a daughter who's in grade 1, and she loves patterning. So I know you've been doing patterning since at least grade 1. I think my son's in daycare. I don't know if he's doing patterning yet or not. So you've been doing patterning for a long time. What we're looking for is 5 times something equals -20. Or you can divide. How do you get 5 times what equals -20, please? Shayla, I'm picking on you. What's the pattern here for this one? What are we times what? Okay, somebody help her. That's okay. There's a freeze. It's okay. -4. So the way you think is 5 times 4 is 20, but 5 times -4 is -20. Right? Then you're thinking 20 times 4 is 80, but -20 times -4. So what's the next 3 numbers then? What's 80 times -4? What do I have to? Haley, I'm picking on you. 80 times -4 is what? -320. Very good. That's your next answer. -320 times -4. Braden was -320 times -4. It's a big number. Positive 1,280. And then you're positive 1280 times -4. Let's see if I can do this in my head. 5-1, maybe not. I'm having a brain freeze. Is that right? Somebody confirm that for me? Maybe that's not right. Somebody help me. Is that right? Anybody? No one's nodding. No one did their homework last night? That's correct? Okay, thank you. Now again, notice they're all going to switch positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, right? So again, the same thing. Positive 80, negative, positive, negative, right? And then just times it by 4 each. Now, you may need a calculator for the last one, because that's okay. One thing I should mention is your test. I may move up your test, I may not. We'll decide what date it's going to be, but there are no calculators on your first test. Okay, the numbers will all be under 100. We're dealing with fractions and integers and all that stuff in dead math, so I want to make sure you can do them all in your head with no assistance. Okay, so the first test should be a piece of cake for people, but I want you to feel decent about it. If you need a times table, there's one right there. Okay, the numbers are not going to be astronomical. Okay. All right, ready for fractions? Yes. Here we go. Yeah. I want to see this and be nice. I can't. I'm embarrassed to have to teach fractions every year, okay? But fractions is the central part of grade 9, and not everyone is a pro when they come into grade 9. So this is just getting you guys all into the same speed. If you're good with fractions, multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting, you will be bored today, and I'm sorry about that. Okay, but I want to make sure that everyone is feeling good. Okay, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Today's title is called Fractions. So if you remember on your table of contents, I don't have one in front of me, but if I did, it would say February 6th, 2016, and it would say fractions, and it's probably page 2 or page 1 of your notes. Okay? Okay, so to make a fraction in those terms, divide the numerator and denominator by a common factor. Okay. You guys have done this, I don't need to start fractions. Grade 4, grade 3, grade 5, grade 1, I don't know what else. Okay, but it's early on. Okay? So one of the things I want to do here is because I want to make sure I can take a big number and divide by. What numbers do you try and divide by always for fractions? Not always even. Okay. I'm going to say we're going to try and divide by prime numbers. What that means is prime numbers are numbers that can only be multiplied by itself and 1. Okay? Now, does that say you can't divide by 10? Well, of course we can divide by 10. 10 is 2 and 5 together. Right? If you divide by 6, of course you can. That's 2 times 3. If you divide by 100, of course you can. That's 2 times 5 times 2 times 5. Okay? Because they're all going to be combinations of those prime numbers. Okay, so if you're not sure what number to check when you're dividing, if you can't, because again, you'll have no calculator, right? Start with those numbers, and that'll be the way to do it. 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Right? Here we go, example 1. So it's a nice easy one. Who's got Spidey? Who's Spidey? Connor? I think it's up to you. I think you have Spidey. Connor, I'm picking on you. Now, if this doesn't leap out at you, it should. If it doesn't, it's okay. What does 18 and 20 both divide by, and why? Connor? It's okay. Somebody help me. What are both 18 and 20? Go ahead.
2.
Yeah, why can they both divide by 2 without even thinking?
Because they're
Even numbers.
They're both numbers, right? So right away. I'm right now today. I'm going to write dividing by 2. We won't have to do this in the future, but just to show how I get there. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay, this one looks frightening. And I'm sorry, Emily, to have to give you this question. Okay? It looks scary. It's not scary. If you can't see that it divides by a big number, you can start by a prime factor. Anything that you can see that divides by? 5 will work for sure, okay? There's a bigger number that'll work too, we can divide by 5. Okay, the reason you can tell it divides by 5, for those people that can't spot that, 5s and 0s always divide by 5, right? So we'll divide by 5. Okay. TJ, using your great math mind, let's start with the easy one. What's 100 divided by 5? Oh, too big. It's okay. These are big numbers, right? 125 divided by 5. You can count on your fingers if you want to. So what's 100 divided by 5? Anybody? 20. But the way you can do that quickly in your brain if you need to. Okay, you can say, well, 10 divided by 5 is 2, and then 0 divided by 5 is 20. Okay, so 125 divided by 5. I don't want to take a guess. I'm sorry, I lost your name. Sydney, go ahead.
Is it 25?
It is 25. Okay. Now, this still can be brought down even lower. I'm going to pick on Eden at the back there, please. What does 25 and 20 both divide by? 5 again, right? So some people are going to say, Mr. Sadler, I know my 25 times table down. I can divide this by 25 right away, that's fine. If you can't see it divided by 25, just do 5 twice. Okay? We'll talk about improper fractions in a little bit, okay? That's going to be 5 over 4. Okay. Are we sort of understanding the idea here? You guys have seen lots of this in the past, I hope? A little bit? Still seen this, I hope? Some? Okay. Here we go, letter C. I'll do C and D. Then I hit pause the video and you guys can do this. So the first one's 9 out of 30. And D is going to be 2400 over 3600. Okay, so I'm going to hit pause in the video right now. I'll just try those two for me. Okay, don't be scared about the last one. You will get one like that in your test. I want you guys to conquer that one with ease. Because by the end of this today, you will easily conquer that one with ease. Let's pause the video, hopefully.